You may be wondering, how much money can I make on YouTube? Now, what I'm about to show you, I think you're going to be very, very pleasantly surprised, not only at the potential amount of money that you can actually make through using YouTube, but also how easy these videos are to create. You don't need any experience, any fancy equipment or technical skills. What I'm about to show you is a lady that's just simply using a phone to record her videos. You can hear her voice, and she's making a serious amount of money. So let's get stuck in and I'll show you this right now. I've just been reading through this article here, and it's talking about how many subscribers you need to sort of make money on YouTube. Now, making money on YouTube, people generally think about the money that's made from the ads on the videos, but there's a number of different ways that you can make money on YouTube as well from your videos. But just looking at this one here, you can see Epic Mealtime, obviously that's the YouTube channel name, makes around $3.1 million. They've got 7 million subscribers. So this one, Ray William Johnson, sits at around 4.2 million. They've got 10 million subscribers. Now this one here, and this is the one I'm going to show you in a second, Fun Toys Collector, weighs in a whopping 30 million or $30.4 million, and it says here they've got 8 million subscribers. Okay, so 8 million subscribers, just make a note of that, 8 million subscribers and over $30 million. Now if you actually go to the channel, you can see this is the channel, Fun Toys Collector Disney Toys Review. So all they're doing basically is reviewing Disney toys. Now you can see here now they've got 10 million subscribers. That's 2 million subscribers more than when this article was written, and bearing in mind that's when they were getting over $30 million. Okay, so they'll be getting quite a lot more than that now. So you can see this is the channel. It's just a very basic channel. There's your basic banner there, little logo, and if we just watch this trailer here, so
hey guys, today we're going to open this beautiful Play-Doh hat. It's called Royal Fiesta from Elena of Avalor.
So that's you can see she's not on camera. It sounds like she's probably not a native English speaker, so she's got a bit of an accent, which is fine. And all she's doing, every video pretty much starts the same. Hey guys, in this video we're going to be looking at this toy, and she's just going through. If we just scroll through, you can just see she's if I play it for a second, she's just opening a toy.
Plus one little knife. Hey, let's not forget the big door.
So you can see how easy this is. So this, like I say, at no point is she on video. All you can see is her hands, and she's just talking about the toy that she's opening. Now that video's had 459,000 views. Okay, and we can scroll down and you can see all these different little videos here are all pretty much the same. They're all just different toys. If we click on this one, for example.
Hey guys, Disney Collector here, and today we're gonna open this full box of Shopkins Basket Surprises from Shopkins Season 4 Fashion Spree.
Okay, so again, if I just scroll through this, you can see that she's just opening the toy. This video's had over 1.5 million views, and you can see in the description here, she's just got "Welcome to Fun Toys channel with surprise toy unboxing, music by this, licensed under Creative Commons." That's basically all it is. It's not she's not doing anything in particular, such as optimizing the video. She's not got any fancy equipment. She's not got even the microphone. Just sounds like she's just talking within her phone microphone. Just really, really basic. And this is, she's making probably over 30 million, over $30 million just from this channel. Over 10 million subscribers. So that is absolutely incredible, really, to think how simple that is. So when you think about making money online and sort of think about creating YouTube videos, That's how simple it can be. And obviously she's going to be getting, with that amount of subscribers, she's going to be getting a lot of attention from businesses, from companies, from obviously toy manufacturers, Disney toy manufacturers, and she's going to be getting paid to obviously promote and do videos showing unboxing, basically just unboxing toys, just opening toys and just talking about them. So as you can see, this lady's just creating some very basic videos. She's not even on camera. She doesn't have to deal with any of the lighting issues or the sound quality. She's most likely just using the camera on her phone, just recording herself opening some toys, and that's it. And she's made over $30 million on YouTube. Now, I'm not saying everyone who's going to try and make money on YouTube is going to make that amount of money, but you can make a very nice income on YouTube. And what Chris Bloor and I have done recently is created a new Patreon channel called Tube Money. And this is where we've put together a large amount of video training, downloadable worksheets, PDFs, ebooks, checklists, and a lot more. And you can access all of this over at patreon.com/tubemoney. So please just feel free to leave us a comment, get in touch, ask us your questions, and we'll help you in any way that we can. So thanks for listening, and I'll see you on the inside.